Good afternoon, sir. We are from TEC division. Our SDL mini project topic is e-farming. Our project group members are Nikita Kamble and Rutuja Nigde. This e-farming portal is very useful for farmers to obtain information about crops and fertilizers. Also, the farmers can buy and sell their products. In our project, there is three entities: buyer, seller, and admin. This is our home page. When we go to the admin page, the admin have to log in. So we create one login form. When the admin can log into the login page, the admin can directly go to the buyer and seller page. This is our buyer page. And this is our seller page. When we go to the buyer page, we create one registration form. With the help of this registration form, we can store the information of a user. This is our registration form. When we register to the buyer page is open. In this, we create a view rates, buy, result, this kind of multiple pages. When we go to the buy page, there is a multiple product to buy. So the farmers can buy the products which he want. In the seller page, we also create one registration form. When the seller or the user register to the form, we obtain the information of a user and we print this information on a profile page. After that, the seller can add item to sale. So we create one form to add item to the page which the seller want to sell. And when the user add the item to sale, this information goes to view rates. This is view rates. This information goes to view rates, and in the view rates, the information can display. With the help of this information, we can check the rates of our products. This is logout. When we click on a logout, the user can go to the home page. And this button is used for get information about crops and fertilizers. When we go to the information page, there is crops and fertilizers, information about crops and fertilizers. In crops, there is a information about multiple crops. So when we go to that page, we can check the information. Multiple crops like fiber crops, fruit crops. There is information about crops. And this back button is used for go to back. And with the help of this button, we can obtain the information about fertilizers. And in the admin page, we create one page called about page. In the about page, there is information about this web portal. And this on a help page, we display the email ID and mobile number of our e-farming managers. Till now we create these things. Thank you, sir.